Oh, 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 oh. Okay. Nagluto tayo. Magluto tayo ng sinigang na tilapia. Sinigang na tilapia. Iwahin muna natin itong sibuyas na pang-pagasa ng sabaw. Okay? Kalahati lang daw muna gagamitin. Yeah. Okay. Ito na yung kasirola, stainless steel, may sabaw na. Sakto lang, damihan natin ng konti para mayroon tayong may higop. Ilagay ko na ito. Okay. Wala tayong fresh na kamatis. Mayroong canned particularly sa kamatis. Ilagay ko na rin ito. Ilagay ko na rin. Haluin ko lang ng konti ito. Balatan ko itong bawang. Bawang, garlic. Pantanggal ng lansa at saka pampasarap ng sabaw. Okay. Still garlic, bawang. Pampasarap. Yan. Haluin natin ng konti. Ito yung pampaasim natin na sinigang mix. Sinigang mix. Okay. Ang sahog ko, talbos ng kamote bagong kuha na linisan na ito. Talbos ng kamote. Kamote tops. Okay. Kamote tops. Tanggalin ko na sa plastic itong kuwan, itong tilapia. Yan. Tanggalin ko na sa plastic. Malinis na ito. It's already clean. It's si tilapia fillet. So, yung mga tinik-tinik niya, wala na ito. Yan. 3 piraso ito. piraso. Ano pang kailangan natin? Itabi ko lang muna ito. Kinuha ko yung basahan, tinago niya. Oh. Next one. Ito yung tubig na may sibuyas, bawang at saka kamatis. It's mixed already. Next one, titimplahan ko ng patis ito o fish sauce. It's just only like this. This is a bigger spoon. That's 1 spoon. And just 1/2. So 1/2 of a big spoon to taste. Yun ang panlasa ng sabaw natin. Okay? Tago natin to. Hugasan ko lang ng konti itong buwan. Itong tilapia. Tabi ko ito. What will I do? I will cut the tilapia fillet into 2. Okay. I will cut this one into 2 also. This was the froze already, so I just wash it with plain water. So what do we need to do? Okay, hold on. I'll bring out my big I will make this one, this big bowl here ready. Later on, ilalabas ko yung ito. If I place this one inside, pagkaluto, ilalabas ko so it will not be overcooked. I will be placing it here. Okay? Next one. We open the stove. So we heat up the cooking pot now. I will close this one. So it will, what you call this, so my ingredients are ready, right? This is the fish fillet, the tilapia fillet. Ito yung sahog, talbos ng kamote, the kamote tops. It's clean already, so they will be ready. This is for placing the kamote tops. As soon as it is cooked, I will bring it out, so it will not be overcooked. This is just a patungan ng kutsara. Ito yung what we call this, the sour element, sinigang mix, right? Sinigang mix. So we are waiting for our cooking pot to get hot. It's not yet hot, but this is almost ready. Actually, we can place the, what you call this, the sinigang mix now. While it is being heated, we will place this one. This volume here is just good enough for half full sabaw, right? So I will place this one now. Okay, then I'll try to mix it. So the water, what you call this, the onion, chopped onions and the chopped garlic plus the sinigang mix is now being heated up. Okay, I will close this one so we will expedite the heating process. This is a tilapia fillet, sinigang. And my toppings is just, what do you call this, kamuti tops. Talbos ng kamote. Kinuha ko ng tanghali ito, nilisan ko na, so it is now ready to place on top as soon as the tilapia fillet is cooked. Okay. Kamote tops and tilapia fillet. It's all well cleaned, okay? Defrost na to, it's already defrost, so I clean it. I cut one piece into two pieces, so this is 6 pieces. So when you try to place it inside, and you will be getting your dish, okay, one portion is just good enough at a time. Okay? In this one, patungan ng kutsara. Later on, this where will I place the kamuti tops as soon as it's cooked. So I will bring it out, so it will not be overcooked. I will place it here. So my tongs is ready to bring out the kamuti tops. It's not yet boiling, it's hot, so I could place the tilapia fillet now. Okay? It's all clean. Okay? Then again, I will close this one. So, if I close this one, I put a little gap here. So when it overflows, I know when it overflows. My toppings is kamuti tops, talbos ng kamuti. This is a good source of fiber. Para mapagbilis tayong dumumi, we need this one, green leafy vegetables. But talbos ng kamuti could be a good toppings for a sinigang, right? If you got some other ingredients, you could place it. But for the meantime, I don't have any other topping. Talbos ng kamuti lang ang available. But of course, the ingredients are all inside. I got the chopped onions, chopped garlic, and tomato. Then I place the sour thing, yung pampaasim, the so-called sinigang mix. So right now, inside, the tilapia thing is already inside. So it's cooking now. It's cooking. I increase the fire, the flame. I increase the flame. So it's almost done, you know. So what's only missing here now is the toppings. As soon as the tilapia fillet is cooked, okay, with all the ingredients inside, okay, that's the sauce, okay. It looks, it tastes delicious already. Anyway, what you call this? The meat of a tilapia fillet is it's a tender fish, right? Malambot lang yan, kaya madaling lutuhin yan. Kaya habang pinapakulo natin, we are making ready that our what you call this, yung pangtapaw natin, pang-toppings natin is ready. I will be reading another bowl, so when the tilapia fillet is cooked, I will bring it out. But the first thing that I will bring out is yung toppings, so it will not be overcooked. So what will just remain inside will be the sabaw. Okay? So I will be placing the toppings here. I will be placing the cooked tilapia fillet over here. And what remains inside will be the sabaw plus all the ingredients. Of course, when you try to eat, okay, just heat this up, or as soon as you are ready to eat, even if this is hot, you could eat already. Pwede ka nang kumain. So, this one is boiling now. That's the sabaw. You see the color of the sabaw? This is hot, but this is delicious already. Asim, sarap. Timplado na. Yung yung timpla na patis, isang ganito at saka kalahati. Tama-tama lang, hindi, what you call this, it's not too salty. Okay. The tilapia fillet is almost done. Okay. Plus all the ingredients, it's cooked already. So I will be placing the toppings now. Talbos ng kamote. Talbos ng kamote. Okay, the toppings, yung toppings natin, luto na. Kaya ilalabas ko para hindi ma-overcook. Labas ko na yung toppings. Luto na ito. Itatabi ko ito. And I will try to taste again yung sabaw. Luto na ito eh. Oh. Sarap. So, I will shut off the flame now. It's cooked already. Okay? So what will I do? I'll try to bring out the individual tilapia fillet so it will not be overcooked. Okay. So this is the tilapia fillet now. It is now cooked. Okay. And the toppings is here. Okay. Yan yung sabaw. Ito yung toppings. Ito yung fish fillet. Okay. So this is for now. What I have shown you is the way on how to cook a sinigang tilapia fillet. Good evening from Los Angeles. Professor David J. De Los Reyes.